This is my opinion, not of every other person's opinion. I think that every Catholic or any Christian should disassociate themselves from the All Progressive Congress, because look at how low these people are going to be faking the Catholic Youth Organization of Nigeria's letter-headed paper to attack Cardinal Onaiyekan. Everything about APC at the federal level is fake, 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 fake. And people doing this kind of thing will not be more than these people, the attacking dogs of the presidency that they are using to attack the Catholic Church. Daniel Bwanda, Bayo Nanoga, Reno Mokri, and the rest of them who have tweeted in a derogatory manner against the church. Look at Catholic Youth Association of Nigeria. This is the first red flag. This is the first red flag. There is nothing like a Sion. It is Sion. They put Sion in the bracket, but they put Catholic Youth Association of Nigeria. Catholic Youth doesn't have an association, they have an organization. That is the first thing they put there. For you to understand how useless these people are. And guess what? It was the whole APC blogs that were sharing this fake data. Look at what is in this data now. Open data to our brother and sisters, the Catholic faithfuls and the people of goodwill. Subject: our faith must rise above partisan politics. Okay? So we write as young Catholics who believe that the mission of the church is to proclaim the gospel, promote justice, defend human dignity, and foster peace among all Nigerians. In recent time, many public statements by individual clergy on political matters have led some Nigerians to assume that all Catholics share the same political preference. We wish to state clearly that no individual cardinal, bishop, priest, or a layperson speaks for every Catholic in Nigeria on partisan political choices. You understand? So they went on and continued to write. So they were writing this thing against Cardinal Onaiyekan. They were writing against him so that people will say, yes, Catholic youth have disassociated themselves. Catholic youth is this, Catholic youth is that. But unfortunately, they don't even know how to form ordinary letter-headed paper. This is how they are running Nigeria. Everything about them is fake, fake, fake. Now, this is the original letter-headed paper of the Catholic Youth Organization of Nigeria, Sion. They replied, as you can see. Official disclaimer. They are replying on our faith must rise above partisan politics. And this is, let me just read the first paragraph there. Say the attention of the National Executive Council, NEC, of the Catholic Youth Organization of Nigeria, Sion, has been drawn to a fraudulent document circulating on social media under the title Our Faith Must Rise Above Partisan Politics, purportedly issued in the name of the Catholic Youth Association of Nigeria, Sion. So, let me stop here. I believe you must have seen the document. But you see, this is the way they have been doing things right from time. They like to use your people to fake your people to attack you. Like fake your people to attack you. They are doing it in all angle. Even when it comes to insecurity, they are doing it. They will fake your people to attack you. They will say it is your people. If not because of the mistake they made in the initial letterheaded when they wrote Catholic Youth Association of Nigeria, that was the first red flag. Maybe some people could have been arguing it that, oh, it was Sion, but they later deny it, blah, 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 just to counter a cardinal. They are going too far. This was the issue about this insecurity. They were spending billions upon billions of dollars. It is the one you know. It is the one they told you that you are talking about. You don't know how much these people have spent just to counter that there is no insecurity or Christian genocide in Nigeria. So these people always like to use manipulation in everything. They are talking about Tinubu certificate everywhere. Everywhere is blur. Like people don't even understand what is going on. Donald Duke is accusing him of using his identity. Another man is accusing him of using his identity. Like nothing is clear about this party. Anyway, when you come into power with terrorism, this is how it is. APC came into power with terrorism by importing terrorists, doing all sorts of things against the people. And here is where they are. Now, there is another thing that I would like you to know. I was watching TVC News. They were talking about this issue of, this issue of Onaiyekan and Tinubu. They made a statement. They said, Cardinal Onaiyekan is not supposed to go and grant that interview. Bishop Kuka is the person we know. Bishop Kuka is supposed to come and grant that interview. That sent a very, very shocking signal to me. Like, they are saying Bishop Kuka as an APC member, as someone who understands how to talk to them, as someone who sugarcoats the truth to look like lies, to just be politically correct bishop. Before now, I know that Bishop Kuka is always compromising. When this issue of Christian genocide started, Bishop Kuka was first people to deny that there was no Christian genocide. He later apologized. And Bishop Kuka is there. He was aware when Boko Haram declared that there is a war between them and Christians because they want to Islamize Nigeria. The video is still on the internet. Bishop Kuka was there when Deborah was killed in his state, Sokoto State there. He didn't do anything. No defense for even his faith. Bishop Kuka was there when ISWAP said that Christians should convert or die. Every now and then, this trend continues. So these people are saying that they wish it was Bishop Kuka that came to grant that interview, so that Bishop Kuka will praise Tinubu because he's the Tinubu's friend and Tinubu has given him an appointment. Anyway, it is important for you to know that Bishop Kuka is not in the level of Cardinal John Onaiyekan. This is what people are not understanding. Daniel Bwanda, Reno Mokri, what is his name? Bayo Nanoga. Bishop Kuka that you know. Fear will not allow Daniel Bwanda to talk to Bishop Kuka. But Bishop Kuka is just like a boy to Cardinal John Onaiyekan. They are not at the same level. They are not at the same level. And for those of you who do not understand Catholic Church is not just a church. Oh. Catholic Church is a government. Catholic Church have a state, a country of their own. You understand? Cardinal John Onaiyekan was appointed. He has a political appointment like an ambassador. He was appointed by Pope. He was appointed by Vatican. So Catholic Church is not just the kind of church that you know. Catholic Church is a government of its own. So you should be careful of what you are doing. We have a very strong institution that you cannot dare to insult, dare to manipulate, faking letters of youth organizations, trying to corner around. Like, you people don't know what you are even doing, self. You don't know what you are doing. You don't know what you are doing. Or you think that Catholic Church is Jonathan and PDP. You people must be stupid on this attack you are raising on Catholic Church. You must be very, very stupid. And to Bishop Kuka, it is important you watch your back and know where you belong. Because the way APC are saying that it is you that they want, it is you that they want to hear, it is you that they want to come and grant interview, it means you have compromised your faith, you have compromised the truth. That is the reality. So, I don't know, but this is what is happening, and people should look into it, because what is going on right now, what is going on both in Osun State, it shows one thing. Nigeria as a state have no regard for Christians any longer. It is a sign of Islamization. It is a sign of conquer. People will say, Kocha, this is Fulanization, this is that. It is an ignorant. Only ignorant will make you to say what is going on is Fulanization, not Islamization. When Britain came to colonize you, when Portuguese came to Africa, they brought their religion to you, and today you are a Christian. Arab came to colonize you, they brought Islam, and you are a Muslim. So Fulanis are now coming to eradicate you in ethnic listing. They are bringing Islam. You say it's not Islamization. What do you want? What do you mean? Anyway, it is what it is. See you on my next video.
If it was the Sultan, which is the spiritual
exactly,
head,
would they have insulted him?
You think so?
They would have.
If the Sultan had confronted the president
is it the first time? Today, in the mosque, there are people preaching about what is happening in the government. Have they been insulted? We have been insulted because we are Christians.
A lot of the times we've seen how religion and ethnicity have played a major role divided our country, divided our people, caused enmity in our nation.
You know me very well.
How can we manage such that some of you politicians don't further divide our country with religion and ethnicity?
You know me very well. You know that I don't believe in ethnicity. You know that I don't believe in religious differences. I believe if you come to my house, I'm a Christian. There's a place for the Muslims to worship because I have Muslim staff. I will show you in the day you come to my house. And by the right-hand side is a chapel for the Christians to worship. You worship your God and leave me to worship my God. I believe in that, but don't insult my God. There's a saying in my village that please carry your God with 2 hands so that when anybody sees you reverencing your God, they will help join you to reverence the God.
Yeah.
But if you hold your God and you're throwing him up and down, when people come, they will do the same.
So your problem is not with Bola Tinubu, but it's with Daniel Bwala's
all of them.
When you say all of them, what do you mean?
From President Bola Tinubu to his aides. How can the president say that?
How can they remedy? If you think that they offended the Catholic Church, how can they remedy it?
Do I look at somebody working in President Tinubu's government? The more,
but you feel offended. You think your faith is hurt?
He's sending out more attack dogs against the church. He has no respect and regard for the Catholic Church, and I think they have no respect and regard for the Christian faith.
Does that have a consequence?
I don't know. I'm not God.
Who should care?
Well, I should. But I don't care. I don't care what
politically speaking, any
I'm
consequence?
not interested in politics.
No, I'm asking.
I'm not here for politics.
Because you say you are mentioning numbers and it means something. When you say that 5 million people
I'm not here
in the Catholic Church.
I'm not here for politics. I told you that when I finish mourning my mother, right? When the traditional mourning periods and all that, I will come out. So I'm not here to discuss politics. What I'm here to discuss is that they should leave the Catholic Church alone and they should respect God and respect the Christian faith. They should stop insulting Christians and the leadership of the Christian church.
You didn't submit your law degree as part of your credentials.
I don't have to submit that. You're taking me to politics.
You only submitted your BA English.
I have classmates. I have classmates in primary school. I can call them now. Christian Obo was my classmate in primary school. I can call my classmates in secondary school.
Who doesn't have?
I don't know. I have classmates in primary school. I have classmates in secondary school.
Don't we all have classmates?
Alex Oti was my junior in the university, at the University of Port Harcourt. I'm calling people. You can ask whether I went through university or primary school or secondary school. I've called Christian.
I used to see you when you were carrying your bag when you were in law, when you were studying law.
Who was carrying my bag?
You were carrying your bag. You always carrying one heavy bag.
Myself.
I said this old man will break his back one
problem.
day. But when you are saying this,
you were my junior in the
absolutely
when I was studying law. So,
but the question is that who doesn't have?
Don't go there. I'm not going to politics. I'm here to say, because you're distracting me, I'm here to say that you need to please beg the president. They should please respect the Christian faith. They should please respect the Catholic Church. And they should respect our bishops. I've just told you, I doubt if there are more than 5 Catholics.
If not, what will happen?
You see, we can begin to insult each other. You see, one thing about the Catholic Church, that we're one of the most disciplined sect in the Christian faith.